Tokyo Olympics 2020 is ended. China again sweeps most of the gold medals in the Olympics. This is the bronze medal match between Japan and Korea. Tomokazu HARIMOTO said, "I won the team bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics. I worked hard for this moment, and I felt the best. Really reliable seniors. The regret of single can also be eliminated. I'm really happy. Thanks for your support." Game 1. Japan fires opening salvo 1-0. Jun MIZUTANI and Koki NIWA have given Japan a morale-boosting start in the opening doubles match as they defeated Sangsu and JEOUNG Youngsik from the Republic of Korea 3-1, 11-9, 8-11, 15-13, 11-5. The Japanese took the opening match in 8 minutes, but Lee and JEOUNG came straight back into the match by clinching the second game. The battle heated up in the third game, but the Japanese eventually triumphed 15-13 before they gave the host nation the lead by winning the fourth match 11-5. Game 2. Harimoto put Japan in the driving seat 2-0. Tomokazu HARIMOTO has put Japan just one game away from winning the bronze medal after he outplayed JANG Woojin in the second single match with a 3-1 victory. HARIMOTO got off a rampant start with an opening 11-7 win in the first game. JANG leveled the score by taking the second game 11-8. However, the 17-year-old continued to threaten and dispatch JANG in the next two games 12-10, 11-7. Game 3. JEOUNG gives Korean a lifeline 1-2. JEOUNG Youngsik beat Koki NIWA in a straight game 3-0 to deny Japan the chance to clinch the bronze medal in the third game. JEOUNG issued his strong statement of intent by winning the first game 11-3 in the 5 minutes. He continued to underline his dominance by rallying past NIWA 11-8, 11-7 in the second and third games. Game 4. Joy for Japan as host nation clinched the bronze medal. Japan has secured the bronze medal in the men's team event after beating the Republic of Korea 3-1. Jun MIZUTANI sealed the deal for the host nation after taking down JANG Woojin 3-0 in the fourth and final match. Despite JEOUNG giving the Republic of Korea a glimmer of hope with his win in the third match, MIZUTANI, who won the historic mixed double gold medal earlier, delivered on the highest level once again by beating JANG 14-12, 11-9, 11-8 to give Japan glory. Bronze medal. We are disappointed we were not able to win the gold medal, but nevertheless we are still pleased we got the bronze medal, and this win goes out to those who have supported us. We knew the opening doubles match was important, and we were confident after securing that first point, said the Japanese trio. Losing the first match just put us under more pressure, and our strategy did not work out the way we had planned. Credit to the Japanese as they will play better than us today, said Lee. JANG Woojin said China, Germany and Japan, which won medals at the Tokyo Olympics, are really strong. As opponent, I respect their efforts and congratulations again. In Tokyo, under difficult circumstances, the volunteer who helped the player concentrate on the competition also worked hard. Thank you very much. Everyone must be healthy. Ending its campaign positively, Japan now possesses 2 men's team medals for the Olympics Games, having won silver in 2016. The result also sees the host nation claim its 4th medal at Tokyo 2020, with further success in the mixed double, women's single, and women's team events.